When winter settles in here in the South, we tend to seek things that bring not only warmth, but comfort and calmness to our lives. A warm, cozy fire, comfy clothes and throws, steamy cups of something to sip on, and hearty, delicious meals rich with indulgent flavors cultivated by simmering or slow cooking for most of the day. February lends itself to providing opportunity for all of these things. Long, cold, dreary days that cause us to want to shut in and take time to plan for the coming months ahead without the rush of getting things accomplished immediately. It holds us close into the confines of our home for a few more weeks, gradually leading us into the spring season quietly and with ease. Jane Austen wrote, "There's nothing like staying home for real comfort." Home. It's our refuge from the busy, chaotic outside world, our safe place, the place where we abide with the ones we love. When we established home here at Beehive Hill Cottage some 20 years ago, one of our orders of business was planting a variety of flowering shrubs and bushes, particularly camellias and hydrangeas, to provide both winter and summer interest for our garden when little else was in bloom. These two species of plants give structure and balance and are able to maintain themselves well throughout the changing seasons we have here in the South. They're also amongst the southern lineup as most desired for cut florals, something so needed to provide a little beauty to the barren winter landscape and to provide flowers for indoor arrangements, adding life and helping brighten the interior spaces during the gray and drab months of cooler weather. This year, our winter brought many weeks of frigid temperatures and a huge dumping of snow, something we rarely see in our area. Most of our plants are well established and can sustain themselves in low temps, even survive the occasional snow and ice storm. The camellias thrive in the colder months and bloom profusely from fall to spring, depending on their particular variety. However, the blooms will suffer considerable damage, brown, and drop to the ground in extreme icy and snowy conditions. Our camellias were laden with buds and blooms this year prior to the snowstorm. Many of the blooms were damaged and lost, but I'm delighted to say the remaining buds have now brought forth a new flush of blooms, bursting with color and beauty, and the show has been spectacular. So today at Beehive Hill Cottage, we'll spend some time together cooking some delicious, hearty, low and slow braised short ribs in our oven. We'll cut and gather handfuls of our Pink Perfection Camellias, make a few simple flower arrangements to place around the house, enjoy a decadent chocolate molten cake for dessert after dinner, and we'll end it all by settling in front of a cozy fire to contemplate the business of spring's arrival, entertaining thoughts of seed sprouting and the harvest they will bring in the warmer months ahead.
3 hours, starting now.
Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoy your time here at Beehive Hill, and please come and visit again next week. The recipes for the slow braised beef ribs as well as the chocolate molten cake will be listed in the description box for your convenience. Give them a try. I think you'll enjoy them both, but here's my disclaimer. Have a fire lit and a cozy blanket at hand, for these two dishes will for sure beckon you for a long winter's nap. And if you live in a garden zone appropriate for growing camellias, I highly recommend you plant a few varieties in your own garden. They are sure to bring much joy to your home, both inside and out. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And until we gather again, peace and grace to you all.